So I'm going to clean my AC's evaporator coil. It's good to clean it now before summer hits. Right here I have evaporator coil cleaner. I also have my mix solution that I'll show in a second how I mixed it. And let me be the first to warn you to wear eye protection and gloves, because this solution can get and long sleeves. It can irritate your skin, and also last thing that you need is we call this duct tape, which is also called foil tape, and it's to reseal the HVAC after I close it. So I have the directions right here. Basically it's 1 part cleaner with 3 to 4 parts water. So I poured, right here is a half gallon. I poured about 1/4 of a half gallon. And I'm just going to add water for the rest of it. There we go. That's it. So I'm up in my attic. My furnace is 30-volt furnace, and it's sideways, so you can see that the furnace is right there, and then the plenum is right there, and you can find out that the evaporator coil is right there. The way how you can find where the evaporator coil is at is when you find the high and low side copper pipes that goes in to this direction. So you can, the high and low side, so one is thinner and one is thicker, and usually the thicker it has some insulation around it, and it goes into this plenum right here, and you can even see, gives you a hint that the way it blows, the direction is this way. So this is what we need to clean today. I can tell that the previous owner of this house, they tried opening this up before. You can see some screws are missing. I need to replace those, and this is the duct tape, and it's loose. But let's just open this up and see what we can find out. So first, let's just pull this old duct tape out of the way. A couple of screws. Just take this out. So because I dropped the screw. So because there's so many gaps and there's no duct tape around here, the foil tape, I'm pretty sure that it's losing a lot of cold air comes out from these gaps right here, and that's really bad for efficiency. So I got this cover off. I'll find a screw a little bit later. Let's pop this out and see what we can see behind here. Okay, so let's move closer. So what we can see right here is the evaporator coil. On this end, it looks pretty clean, but since the air is flowing this direction, of course this side should be clean. But oh no, I see on the side it's a little bit dirty. So if this side is dirty, I can't imagine what the other side would look like. So because I want to clean the other side of the evaporator coil, I need to take this piece off right here. And it looks like somebody's already tried doing this before. The way to take it out is so hopefully your unit won't have this much trouble. Most units, if you open up the panel, you can see both sides of it with just a little bit of screws This is just an old unit, so that's the reason why it's like that. But the way how I'm going to do this, I think I'm going to just pop it out with a screwdriver, see what happens. I probably should put on my gloves, or else I'm pretty sure I'm going to hurt myself. So I'm prying on the side. Hopefully I can pop this out. Yep, let's pop it out alright. Alright, so here we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, so there's some screws at the bottom holding this in. But I think this is good enough. So you can see on this other side, that's the furnace side. And let's look over here. So right here, here's the evaporator coil, and you can see it's pretty dirty. It's due for a good cleaning. So I have my mask on, I have my gloves on, and I'm ready to spray. I want to fully saturate it and let it soak for 5 minutes, and the instructions say that I don't have to rinse it, but I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it. Alright, now I'm going to rinse the back. So after I let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, now I'm going to rinse it off with water. And some of you might be wondering, where's all of this water going? Well, there's a drain next to the evaporator coil that drains outside to your plumbing system. So that's why I can freely spray water and it drains all the way out. Well, it's amazing how much cleaner that is. I don't know if you can tell by the video. So after I'm done cleaning, now I need to just put everything back together again. First, let me just pop this back in. And after I pop it back in, it's not supposed to be like this. I'm probably going to use some screws and try to help close up this plenum right here. Alright, that's attached in. Maybe I should use a hammer. Where's a hammer? Okay, so now let's put back this cover right here. So after battling with the screws, I finally got them all in, and now I want to seal up all these gaps with this foil tape right here. So all it is just pull a section out and tape over all the gaps. So first I'm gonna tape right here. I'll need this much, and then pull out the tape, tape it over the seams. There we go. So now I'm just going to go over and just tape over all the seams. So that's it. That's how you clean the evaporator coil and reseal it with foil tape, duct tape. And that's it.